So today we are in Morzine, in the Portes du Soleil ski domain, which is about 600 kilometers of run between France and Switzerland. We are located 1 hour and a half from Geneva, so it's Geneva airport, so it's very easy access. The big advantage of Morzine is that it's a dual season resort, so you have people during the winter of course, but also during the summer season, thanks to the bike parks and all the lifts which are open. With this in mind, I'm pleased to introduce you to our new properties located right in the center of the village. And today we are very proud to present you this new project in our portfolio called Aubergade. So we are right at the bottom of the slopes of Plenay. The building is under construction. The delivery will be for next summer. So we still have 6 large apartments for sale, ranging from 60 square meters to 168 square meters, with budgets just under 600 to start up to just under 1.9 million euro. So it's a super prime location, direct access on this side from the slopes, and then all the village shops and amenities are located just behind the building, which is like 1 minute walk. So it's a real prime location in Morzine. As you can see, this is the only building available for sale on this side of the resort. It has the big advantage of being very central and quiet at the same time, because we are on the slope side. So all the views are very open everywhere you look. You have a triple aspect on this building. It's very green around, very nice architecture, very authentic. So it's a great project to consider. So we are right in the center of Morzine, on the main plaza next to the tourism office. And we have new in our portfolio 3 apartments located on the new building which is just behind us. So the building is new and just delivered, and we still have 3 large apartments available for sale, from 130 to 150 square meters, including 2 penthouses with high ceilings, large openings and very nice outside space. So the timing is perfect, new and delivered with all the benefit of the new build without waiting for the construction period. So we are in a 5-bedroom apartment with a size of 150 square meters. It has a triple aspect, very large outside space, superb views, and again we are in the center of the village and it's very quiet. So it's a very nice family apartment with a large as well living, dining and sitting area. As you can see, superb volume on this apartment. We have around 5 meter ceiling height. This apartment at the moment has 3 double bedrooms plus a bunk room. Very large space. We have the stove which will come here on this part. The apartment is new and delivered, so it's the best timing in a way that you don't need to wait for the construction period. We have large outside space as well, deep terraces which are around 2 meters, so you can easily install a dining table outside. Very center, very quiet and superb volume. We are in the very center of Morzine, between the tourism office and the Super Morzine ski lift. So it's our new project, it's under construction. We have 10 apartments for sale between 40 square meters and 140 square meters, from 1 to 5 bedrooms, and it has really super views. As you can see behind me, we are on an elevated position with unobstructed views and panoramic views. This project has the big advantages of being located just next to the future lift, which will connect the very center of Morzine to the bottom of Avoria, called Les Portes. They had last week a public consultation which has been voted in favor of this new connection to Avoria, so it will be a real game changer for the center of the village. And on the other side, we are still very close to the Super Morzine telecabine, which brings you directly to Avoria.